how to see your favorite Roblox clothes and accessories. So for this, it is a little bit confusing, but all we have to do is click on our profile icon right here in the top right corner. And then this will take us to the profile page, to our profile page. Now we want to scroll down until we see favorites here, and you will see a list of all of your favorite games. But don't worry, all we have to do is click on this, favorites. And then this will take us to the favorites page. Now here we can actually find classic clothing, and we can do classic shirts, for example, and you will see your favorite classic shirts. Now you can repeat the same process for anything. You can do for accessories here, as you can see, and you can also do this for pants, and you can repeat the same process for literally anything here from this list. You have plugins, you have emotes. So that's how you find your favorites on Roblox on PC or computer. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.